Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Your headset and microphone are physically connected and selected as the default device in your operating system. Once done, make sure Rocket League is up to date because newer builds expose voice settings. If you're on console, sign into your platform account and verify party and chat permissions. These steps remove basic blockers so you can enable voice in-game without repeated troubleshooting. They also explain why you might be muted at the network or OS level. Next, open Rocket League's options and go to the Audio tab to turn voice chat on. This is the core toggle that activates in-game comms. Then decide whether you want push-to-talk for controlled bursts of speech or open mic for continuous audio, and assign a comfortable key or controller button. Make sure you set voice and microphone volume so teammates can hear you without clipping. If it's too loud, they'll mute you, and too quiet makes teammates ignore you. Finally, verify voice chat by joining a party or casual match and speaking. Listen for your mic indicator to confirm transmission. If teammates can't hear you, check platform privacy and party voice settings and confirm the OS still grants Rocket League mic access. If issues persist, restart the game or your console/PC, reselect the microphone device in both OS and Rocket League, and try a different USB port or headset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.